Sit on the chair with back and neck straight. Spread your feet shoulder length apart. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Interlock the fingers. Inhale. Stretch the arms upward. The palms on the head. Relax. Stretch the arms upward again. Exhale. Bend the right. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Bend to the left. Inhale. Come back. While exhaling, unlock the fingers. Place the fingers on the respective shoulders. Rotate the elbows clockwise. The elbows anti-clockwise 3 times. Inhale. Raise the arms and cross them behind the head. Exhale. Place the palms on the position shoulders. The palms on the table. Inhale. Bend the head forward and rest the body and forehead on the table, and twist the body to the right with the help of the chair. Inhale and return. Exhale. Twist the body to the left. Inhale and return to starting position. Relax. The palms on the thighs and adopt Jnana Mudra. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now adopt Pranayama Mudra from the right hand. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right. Now inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Exhale through the left nostril. This is 1 round. Repeat this 2 more times. Bring the right hand down. Relax. Adopt Shanmukhi Mudra. Inhale deeply through the nose. As you exhale, make a deep and humming sound. Bring the arms back. Now adopt Dhyan Mudra. Keep back and neck straight. Relax your attention on the breath and observe the breathing. Meditate. Now join the palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Open your eyes, bring the arms down and relax. It is advised to practice the yoga protocol at workplace twice a day. It should be done with light stomach after 2 hours of meal. Remove the shoes or belt, etc. to practice it comfortably. Practice the protocol in coordination with breathing and accordingly to one's capacity. In case of chronic pain and disorder, consult yoga expert.